So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Y'all, it is the evening time and I literally am just getting back to my house. I checked my mail and I got a super cute package from LUVME Hair. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I'm getting rid of this old dusty wig, finally, and doing something with my units. I wanted to try a color because I haven't tried colors in honestly a few years, where I've dyed the hair myself, customized the unit, you know. So we're gonna go from start to finish on this unit sent from LUVME Hair. I'm super excited. You guys know how I feel about LUVME, so let's just hop right into this video. I'm gonna show you guys what we're using today. All right, baby, so if you're new here, basically with LUVME Hair, I'm just showing you the lace and the fullness of this wig. I'm just so obsessed with how shiny this hair is. Look how full this hair is. And here I'm just showing you how far the lace front goes and where the tracks start. This hairline was so natural. I didn't have to do any plucking. And I'm just quickly showing you what comes in with the package with LUVME Hair, including this dust bag for your wig and wig caps, which are my favorite part. It also comes with a care kit that just lets you know how to take care of your units from LUVME Hair. It comes with a band. This super cute mirror, like, look at this. I was so intrigued by this. Super cute for your purse. It also comes with a nice comb and brush. So y'all, I ended up getting this Cream of Nature Moisture Rich hair color. This one right here has ammonia free. It's in the color Honey Blonde. I knew I wanted something that was ginger, but I also wanted something that was kind of honey. So I honestly said, why not, and just mix the colors together. So the main color I'm going for is this one right here. I figured they're both Cream of Nature, so why not? But this one is the Bronze Copper. This is more so the color that I'm kind of going for, I think. And then I saw this one, I was like, oh, that's pretty too. So we're gonna mix them together. I don't know what's gonna happen. But yeah, these are the colors that I'm using today. And then this is random, but this is the glue that I'm gonna be using in today's video as well. Why is lace glue so expensive, y'all? I have not used glue in a while, so I'm trying this new one by Bold Hold, Liquid Gold. Kind of nervous. I probably should have bought their remover at the same time, but yeah, we're gonna try it out. So although this was kind of a fail, I'm actually glad that I did it, because this is what gave me that whole perm effect. It's mimicking my natural hair color, which is a mix of sandy red and like brown. It's literally, I don't know why my hair grows this color. It's a family. Everyone in my family has this sandy red hair, so I was really satisfied to get this color. But here I'm just using hairspray to prevent the color from over bleaching my knots. Since the hair did come pre-bleached, I didn't want to do too much. I also didn't want the color to seep into my knots or my lace, so I'm applying a hairspray, and then I'm just going in with my color, y'all. And I think this is kind of where I messed up. Now I've seen this done this way before people come in the comments saying I shouldn't have added water to it. People do this all the time. Crazy enough, I don't know if they use this much water. So I might try this again with maybe a smaller bucket, a smaller bowl. I don't know. Or maybe I'll just do the hot water method with some different dye. But basically, I'm just putting the dye into some hot water, and it's hot, y'all. And I'm using a plastic knife, similar, because I'm using a developer product, and I like to use plastic whenever I'm using those. Now, y'all, we are ready to install. I look crazy, but I'm hyping myself up. Let's go. I'm ready. This is the unit. This is how it turned out. It's giving sandy red, brownish color. Like, I can see hints of it. So I'm like, okay, all right, cool. Let's just go with it. And I'm taking my hot comb first and I'm going over and just pulling all the hair to the back because I'm going to be installing this a little bit different today. I'm just showing you guys the hairline after it was dyed, so she still looks good. And the products that I use on my lace are going to be this mousse that I got from Lotta Body before I went in with my hot comb, as well as my lace tint from Eben, which I'll show you guys here. And I absolutely love both of these products. I'll leave them linked down below if you would like to check them out. This lace tint is bomb. I actually love Eben products. So then I'm going to go in with some edge control, and I'm taking this on my edges just to pull back my baby hairs. Y'all, my hair is crazy, and y'all, my baby hairs connect to my freaking eyebrows if you're new here. So I be having to push them all the way back. This literally saves my edges. And now that I just got my edges back too from losing them from wearing wigs, child, I'm doing the best I can, okay? I'm doing the best that I can. I'm going in with some stimulating growth oil from Do Grow. Like, literally, this was an OG back in the day, so I'm just going back to all my old favorites. Putting this all in my hair, like absolutely everywhere, rubbing this in. And then we're gonna go in with a cap. They come with two. I love LUVME for this. They really came through because they pretty much give you everything that you need to install your unit in the box. Y'all know I've been raving about them for years. So I'm just putting this on. My nails are chipping and flaking and just creating holes and stuff everywhere, child. So I'm trying to be careful. But I'm going in with some powdered kit. I got this from my beauty supply store, y'all. And I'm just going in with colors similar to my actual skin tone. And I'm just applying this to that cap so that my, you know, my wig looks a little natural. And yeah, so we're just going in with the color all over the front. And if you haven't already, make sure you tap that like button. Like, what are you doing? Tap the like button, sis. Go ahead, subscribe as well. So now I'm just throwing the wig on my head just to test it out. And I did this, I ain't gonna lie, a few times. I wanted to make sure it sat right, because sometimes I apply the wigs a little bit too close to my eyebrows. Like I said, it's a little too far down. So here you see me just pulling it back just to see how it looks without my hairy behind edges peeping through on the side. So it was kind of like teeter-tottering to find where I wanted to place the wig. Then I'm trying to figure out what parting I wanted to do. At first I was like, okay, I'm gonna do a middle part, a bust down. The color wasn't giving. It wasn't giving bust down for me. So a side part it was. I just didn't know which side I wanted to do. So now I'm just pulling the hair back that I've decided I'm doing a side part, and I figured I would just install the unit and then go from there. So I'm taking my scissors and I'm just cutting little sections out of the lace, and this literally saved my life when I'm going in with a fresh lace and a fresh lace only. These little flaps are great for whenever you're going in with a lace glue, like the Ghost Bond. What am I using? I'm not using Ghost Bond. Boho, child. Oh my God. Ghost Bond was one of the lace glues that I was seeing in the hair store, y'all. And I don't know. Let me know in the comments below which you would prefer, Boho or Ghost Bond. Like, literally, I really don't know. This is my first time trying Lil Boho. I've never tried Ghost Bond. But anything ghostly just sounds scary. Mind you, my face with this glue, it is super duper watery. So this is me just trying to hurry up and scoop it back and try. I'm just fighting for my life right now, trying to figure out like if I'm making the right decision with this big behind flap. I use the freaking hair dryer on both cool and warm. I didn't know what to do, but next thing I know, it's getting a little tight. I'm like, all right, okay. So I use my comb and I'm pressing it down, and baby, she ain't move. My hair, it don't move. Like, it literally wasn't going anywhere. So I was satisfied, and like I said at the end, I went over with some cool air and just sealed it all in, and I went over each flap individually just like that. Yes, I had to go to the mirror because this stuff was going everywhere. So once I finished installing it, I took a quick shower, came back. Sis, look at this. Cut the lace off. The hair looks bomb. So I'm going in with my Kira Care wax stick, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just start smoothing this hair down to make it a little bit more flat. We're giving relaxer, right? So it needs to be as flat as possible. And I wanted to try this style without baby hairs, so we're not doing baby hairs today, but I'm a sideburn girl. I ain't gonna lie. As you'll see, the sideburns were added because I feel like it just completes the look. You can't tell me sideburns didn't add to this look. It definitely did, sis. Okay, like for sideburns. If we're gonna do nothing else, she's doing sideburns. So I'm going in with my Babyliss Pro Flat Iron after that, and I'm just straightening the hair and then adding bumps at the end. I love this 90s look. I feel like this literally gives it a whole glamour effect. I actually took some glamour shots, so make sure you have me on Instagram at MissErinYvette to check out how they turned out. But y'all, that's pretty much the video. I'm just straightening all over, like I said, to get the crimps and crooks all out the half. And then I'm gonna go in and bump the ends and make them look super natural and like I just got a fresh perm. Like, I love LUVME hair. They always have the best deals on great quality hair and bundles. And I think you guys should check them out. But thank you guys so much. I love me hair for sending over this unit. She looks bomb. There goes the sideburn. Get it together. And yes, girl, she looks good. She looks real good. Now, it's a little bit of extra glue that I had to wipe away at the end. But overall, I'm obsessed with the look. She looks really, really nice. Really cute. Well, what should we name her? What's this wig giving? I'm thinking it's giving relaxer. It's giving yes, ma'am. You know, she's just that girl, period. It girl, for sure. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'll see you next time. Bye.